Vijay, what can I say, my friend? Can I please tell you, I've loved everything that you've done in all these years. आपको मैंने personally जब देखा है कभी theater के बाहर बातचीत करते हुए, आपको मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको देख के पहचान सकता हूँ कि this is Vijay. But the first time the trailer dropped, I swear, bro, मैं initially just didn't land to me that it was you because I know that it is not a completely different look or something, but something that you did, and it was a completely different person. And on top of that, the character that you played, the captain of that ship, it's based on what he experienced on that particular time. So many projects have you've been a part of, but with this particular series, have you cracked something? There's something that you've found.
First of all, thank you, Mantra, for such warm, lovely words. I think I did. Now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devi Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these, we're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him and I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has, I try to kind of keep that energy with me, and I try to keep the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it and through the lenses that probably worked because the camera was always right next to my face on three sides all the time, and there was just green screen in front of me. So
You spent such a long time आप वो cockpit के अंदर ही रहे होंगे, and of course naturally that green screen and everything, there's not much space for you to be actually doing something, but so much you did within that time.
Yeah, when you have three cameras, then all your effort is sometimes just to make sure that you never land up your eye in the lens, and you're in the middle of crisis. Lahore khul gaya, and then I'm like, either camera shit. So I can't. Sorry for the French.
No.
But yeah, I had to. Yeah, but as Nasir Sab always tells me कि imagination का इस्तेमाल करो. So that came in handy.
True that, and I'm sure there's so much you must have learned being on set with everyone over there. Although,
as much as I would have absolutely loved to have been in the same, sharing the frame with all these wonderful actors, or at least be a fly on the wall when they were, doing their scenes. I was in fact really fortunate that even though I didn't have other co-actors, I had to my advantage the amount of research the Sanjay ji, Sarita ji, Trishant, Anubhav sir, all of them and their team had done. I had that research, I had Sir's interpretation or rather direction of where I was supposed to take that, and as an added advantage, so the real Captain Devi Sharan's real elder daughter's real younger daughter is playing my younger daughter.
Oh, wow,
yes.
That's a great insight.
So Devi Sharan ji ki beti ki beti is playing one of the daughters. Because of that, she was on set and I could have a conversation. I used to ask her, what was it like? Because she was older than I think she was, the daughter was 10 or 12 years old when this had happened. And I used to ask her, how was it like? How was it like to see your mother? And so I had all those advantages. And then in my preparation, I understood that this is a woman who is a symbol of a vulnerability, but also strength. As much as, she's worried about what is going to happen to her husband and everybody on that flight, but she was also the source of strength for people around her, especially her daughters. So yeah, that was my understanding.
I'm glad, Pooja.